What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna continue on the rebuild of my not a rebuild, but the swap on the new Supercharger for my Jaguar XF. I think we're ready to put it back in. Let me show you guys the ported snout. Looks a lot better than the original one. Let me show you guys the original one from the old Supercharger. This is what it looks like. And this is the ported one. As you can see, this is a lot more wider than the original one. I can't even put my hand through this one. I know they both look the same in video, so I'm just trying to show you guys as much as I can. For example, this here came with the original snout. It's like a little cover. Watch how it fits on the original one. You gotta really push it in there to make it fit, and it's in there tight. Now if I do that to the older snout, look how easily it goes in. Look at that. Look at that. Same for the throttle body. Where's the throttle body? Oh, it's right here. This is a throttle body. Before, I think it was 83 millimeters. Now it's 92 millimeters. So yeah, it's ready to go back in the car. I've already got the hub for the pulley. It's a LSA pulley for an LSA made by Grip Tech. This is a pulley right here. It's a 2.3 millimeter, 2.3 inches. It's like a 59 millimeter, 58 millimeter, somewhere around there. All right, so this is the original, what's it called? I forgot what it was called. It goes right here. It's
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's a coupler that goes in here to connect with the snout. So this is the one that came with the new Supercharger. It's a brand new. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it. I don't know, but it's brand new. And let me show you guys what I want, what I ordered. So I ordered this new solid coupler from CZP, the same company I ordered my water pump from. I was gonna get their pulley too, but I just love this one because it has all that grip for the belt. I don't know if you guys can see. It's custom machined to prevent belt slip. So yeah, that's why I went with this one. And let me see. Let me show you guys the coupler. Okay, so here's the coupler. CZP focus right there. CZP. So this just goes like this. Just gotta push it in. And this is actually made for the LSA Superchargers. Focus. LSA Supercharger. It was only like $23. Like $26 after the shipping and tax. What else? Yeah, the Snout. In person, it looks a lot different than the original one. Look at that. Alright guys, so found the gasket maker. I'm just gonna put a little bit around here.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing's enough. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Alright, so we got the Snout ready. We put back into the supercharger, but first we're gonna install a coupler, a solid coupler. Just push it in there. Alright, so we got the solid coupler in there. Now we're gonna install our Snout. Gotta be really careful not to get any dirt inside the rotors.
We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Alright guys, so see all the mess right there? That's what we gotta clean up before it dries up. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Come back when I'm all done. Alright guys, so I did my best on cleaning the excess gasket maker. And check out how it looks. I can put my hand through, whereas before I couldn't with the older Supercharger. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and let the gasket maker dry up so we can tighten up the bolts a little more, and then we're gonna install the throttle body. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's been like 45 minutes. It's all nice and dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the throttle body. Set like this. So let's go ahead and do that. Like I said, I'm not gonna be using the stock gasket, and that is because it has a smaller diameter, so can't be used. So what I'm gonna be using is some gasket maker, and that should work.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Take me to the, take me to the, take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom, take me to the jungle.
Alright guys, so I finally got done putting in the last bolt. I used a different bolt for this side because on my old Supercharger, one of the bolts was stuck. Where's it at? No, I can't find it.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, so this is the bolt for the throttle body. It got stuck. It was stuck. So what I did is I welded it another bolt, and that's how I was able to get it out. So yeah, it's done. It's ready to go back in the car. All I gotta do is put the intercoolers back in. Oh, and one more thing. All right, so this little, I think it's a map sensor. This one goes into here. So now, all we gotta do is put back the intercooler. Yeah, all I gotta do is put back the intercoolers and clean up the engine bay, and we'll be ready to put it back in. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on a different video because it's already late. It's 12 in the morning. I gotta go to bed. And but yeah, we're gonna install the intercoolers in the next video, the intercoolers, and then we're gonna install the install. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.